This is Cosmic Kids, and today we're playing a dollhouse. All the big and every kid can go in here. This kid, she wants to play. She's a 4-year-old. She's closing the door now because she doesn't want any more kids in. She wants this to go there because she needs that. And this is the mom. She has a heart on her shirt and little sheet points on her. The mom can also go in here. So let's open it. She can also stand in here. So we have to take this off a little bit so she can stand in with her kid. Uh-oh. It's okay, we can still make the show because we'll need a show. So, and this is called the Rainforest, and the show is called the Rainforest. And this is the Sprinkle Kids, and we're doing a show today. So we're putting all the kids in here so they can play. And she wants to go in a different place. And there's no more places in the rainforest. This little girl, she wants to go somewhere. So we have to put, someone has, what? And someone has to come with her. So the big sister, and she's the teenager, she stands here and she's gonna play with her.